You can dial or answer multiple calls in the following ways. After answering a call, press the account key to place a second call. Optionally, press the hold soft key and then new call to place the second call. Additionally, while answering the first call, you can press the answer soft key to connect a second call. When making multiple calls, the screen's upper right will show 2-2, indicating there are 2 concurrent calls at that moment. Correspondingly, the first call will be put on hold automatically. Press the up and down navigation keys to switch to different lines, and press the resume soft key to resume the call. Or, press the swap soft key to directly switch the talk line. When there are 2 registered accounts, you can dial or answer multiple calls with different accounts in the following ways. Answer a call with account 1, and then press the account key corresponding with account 2 to place a second call. If account 1 has received a call and account 2 receives a call, press the answer soft key or the account key corresponding with account 2 to answer the second call. Alternatively, press the up and down navigation keys to switch the line, and then press the resume soft key to resume talking. You can also press the swap soft key to directly switch the talk line.